Are you home alone, bored with your annoying brother, and there's nothing to do?
Oh my god, I'm so freaking bored. And I already ate everything in the fridge. The only thing that's left are nasty Hot Pockets. Hey, do I smell boredom, kids? It's the boredom fairy to the rescue. Now introducing the brand new game from Noise called Tic-Tac-Toe. You'll never be bored with Tic-Tac-Toe, made by Noise. Oh my god, what's happening? Bob, quick, go get mom and dad. Angus, I'm so scared. Angus, help. Don't be scared, kids. Let the boredom fairy teach you the rules of tic-tac-toe by Noise.
Okay, kids, the rules of the game are very simple. You're going to draw two vertical lines, and then you're going to draw two horizontal lines. Each person takes turns drawing an O in one of the squares, and then the other person an X in one of the squares. The first person to get 3 in a row wins. You can find Tic-Tac-Toe made by Noise at any gas station near you. We are not affiliated with the Boredom Fairy. If you see the Boredom Fairy, please call the cops. The Boredom Fairy is not even real. Hi, you guys. It's Mr. I. I'm going to help you out with the rates practice homework number 1. So we're going to do a unit rate for number 1. It says 14 hours in 2 weeks. So you're going to make a ratio. This one is called a rate. So 14 over 2. And remember, we learned to use the bottom number, the denominator, to divide the top and the bottom with. So whatever the bottom number is, divide everything by that number. So here it's 2. So 14 divided by 2 is 7. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And that's what you want. You want to have 1 in the denominator. That makes it a unit rate as opposed to a regular rate. So in mathematics, the word 1 means the same thing as unit. So unit means 1. 1 means unit. All right. So let's try another problem. Let's try number 7. It says $18 for 3 CDs. So we want to know how much it is for 1 CD. So that's the unit rate. So make a fraction, make a ratio, 18 over 3. And remember, 3 is the bottom number. It's the denominator. So divide everything by 3. So you're going to get 6 over 1. And that is your unit rate. Okay? $6 for 1 CD. You need to experience the comedy of Joe Killer Ayin, known as the greatest comedian of his generation. He is also known as the CEO of Cringe. Experience Joe Killer Ayin.
Hi, you guys. Hi, thank you. It's great to be here tonight. All right, so what's up, Tarzana? Oh, yeah. It's really great to be here tonight. Thank you. So you guys, you've heard of that singer Adele? Yeah. Why did she cross the road? To say hello from the other side. Hey, so what do you call a poop that goes to church? Holy crap! Thank you, guys. Thank you. Hey, have you noticed when you go to the grocery store, right? Especially like a pharmacy like CVS, and when you're ready to ring up, they ask you for your special discount card, but they ask you for the phone number, and you can't just like type it in. You have to like say it and everyone can hear you. What's up with that? Come on, CVS, get with it. Jeez. And then, when you go to the gas station and, the gas station is all quiet, right? As soon as you put your money in, the little TV comes on and it lets you listen to their commercial. Like, seriously, I don't want to listen to any commercial. Like, just let me pump my gas. The commercial's boring. What's so special about it? Yeah, thank you, you guys.
All right, you guys, let's do another one. Let's do number 10. This is raking 30 bags of leaves in 3 hours. If you rake the same number each hour, which means 1, then how many bags of leaves can you rake in 1 hour? So again, another unit rate problem. So you can go ahead and write the numbers that you have, 30 bags over 3 hours. And remember, use the denominator to divide. So you're going to go 30 divided by 3, 3 divided by 3. And that should give you 10 bags for every hour. And there's your unit rate. Okay, I think we'll do one more. This one might be a little more challenging. So we'll take a look at number 15. So now you have a situation here. You can get shampoo 8 ounces for $6. And you can get 5 ounces for $4. So the question is, which one is a lower deal? By how much? So you're going to make two ratios, $6 over 8 ounces. And then the other situation is $4 over 5 ounces. And you're going to find the unit rate of each one. Because right now, just looking at it, we really can't tell which one is a lower deal. Okay, so just divide by the denominator for each one. Now for 6 divided by 8, you can use a calculator because it's going to give you a decimal number. So we're going to get about 75 cents for every ounce. Again, so this will come out to 75 cents for 1 ounce. And now we're going to do the same thing with the other situation, $4 for 5 ounces. Let's see what that comes out to. So OZ means ounces. Okay, so here we're going to divide by 5 because 5 is the denominator. It's the bottom number. That's the number you got to use. Again, use your calculator. You can say 4 divided by 5. So you're going to get 80 cents when you do that over 1. So 80 cents for 1 ounce. Okay, so now we can clearly see the better deal or the lower deal is the first situation, 75 cents for 1 ounce versus 80 cents. Now we're going to have to answer the second question. It says, how much lower is it? So we're just going to subtract the two numbers. We're going to put the bigger number on top. So 80 cents, take away 75 cents. You're going to line up your decimal points. Remember that. All right, so you're going to have to borrow a little bit here. You can probably do this in your head. But you're going to get 5 cents as your answer. So it's lower by 5 cents. Don't forget to bring down the decimal point. There you go. All right, you guys, I'm going to continue making these videos for you for your homework to help you guys out. So I hope this one was helpful. And remember, we answered both parts of that question. Which one is a lower deal and how much lower? So that last problem had 2 parts. All right, you guys, thanks for watching.